Mounting the ACRO red dot sight is so much easier now than before. This is the Strike Industries RMR To ACRO plate. It's a very sturdy optic plate that works on slides and optic mounts with the RMR footprint. The lightning cuts in the middle makes it as light as possible, so it won't cause any slide cycling malfunctions. This is by far the most affordable option. All you need is a good torque wrench to secure it tight, and you can easily mount any ACRO footprint optic on different guns you already have. Here's the ACRO on Glock. Shadow Systems. KP9. Benelli M4. CZ Scorpion. SIG P320. FN 509, and many others. Make sure to torque each base screw to 13-inch pounds and then stack the ACRO on top. And this is how easy it is to mount the ACRO. For more content like this, check out badassoptic.com.